Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. The refrigerator door shelf is used for an additional storage on the top 3 positions on the door. The main reason why the refrigerator door shelf would need to be replaced is if it's broken and falls off. Let's open the refrigerator door. To remove the old door shelf, we need to push it up on both sides, and then we can take it out. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new refrigerator door shelf, we're going to slide it between the 2 tabs here, all the way in, and then press it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.